Opportunities without visual presence on YouTube channel to generate income.
Throughout this video, we will examine various strategies and techniques that will allow you to create a successful YouTube channel without having to physically appear in the videos. From producing animated content to using voiceovers, there are many creative options available. Not showing your face on a YouTube channel doesn't mean you can't generate a substantial passive income. In this video, we will explore the diverse opportunities available to content creators who prefer to remain behind the scenes while still building a lucrative YouTube channel. Voiceovers and narration. One of the most effective ways to create engaging content without appearing on camera is through voiceovers and narration. You can provide commentary, explain concepts, or tell stories using your voice while showcasing relevant visuals, animations, or images. Many successful channels rely on compelling voice narration to captivate their audiences. 2. Animation and motion graphics. Animation and motion graphics are powerful tools for conveying information and storytelling. Creating animated videos allows you to present complex concepts or entertain your audience without ever needing to step in front of a camera. Animation can be especially effective for educational, explainer, or storytelling content. 3. Screen recording and tutorials. Screen recording software enables you to create tutorials, software reviews, and instructional content. You can guide viewers through various tasks, software applications, or online tools while explaining the steps in detail. Your screen becomes the visual focus, making it unnecessary to show your face. 4. Compilation and curated content can be a valuable resource for your audience. By collecting and presenting interesting or entertaining clips, images, or videos from other sources, you can provide value without having to appear on camera. Always respect copyright and licensing rules when creating such content. 5. Whiteboard and educational videos. Whiteboard-style videos involve drawing or writing on a virtual whiteboard while explaining concepts or processes. These videos are engaging and educational and can be an excellent choice for teaching complex topics without needing a visual presence. 6. Music and sound production. If you have a talent for music or sound production, consider creating audio-focused content. This could include composing original music, soundtracks, or audio guides. Music can set the mood for various types of videos, making it a sought-after skill in the YouTube community. 7. Podcasting is another avenue that allows you to generate passive income without the need for a visual presence. You can host discussions, interviews, or storytelling podcasts on a wide range of topics. Podcasts can be monetized through sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. 8. Written content and transcripts. Even in a video-centric platform like YouTube, written content has its place. You can provide transcripts for your videos, making them more accessible and improving SEO. Additionally, you can create blog posts or ebooks based on the content of your videos, expanding your reach and income potential. 9. Collaborations and guest appearances. Collaborating with other creators or inviting guest appearances can add diversity and depth to your channel. You can coordinate with individuals who are comfortable on camera while you focus on the content creation behind the scenes. This collaborative approach can attract a broader audience and increase your passive income opportunities. There are numerous opportunities for generating passive income on YouTube without the need for a visual presence. The key is to leverage your strengths, whether that's in narration, animation, music, or other forms of content creation. By providing value to your audience through these various means, you can build a thriving YouTube channel while maintaining your preference for staying out of the limelight. In the following videos of Cash&Cow Secrets channel, we will explore strategies for optimizing your chosen approach and maximizing your passive income potential. Download now your free copy of Cash&Cow Automation Secrets without visual presence at link below. See you at next video.